Hey guys, it's Amber911 and I'm here to do an update on my books. I haven't done an update video in a while, so I thought I'd do this quick video, to tell you how much I appreciate everybody's likes on my Facebook page. I have, so far, 40 subs on YouTube, which is 18,933 video views, and that's crazy. Okay, on Facebook, on my Facebook page, which is Help with Interviews, parentheses author, parentheses my name. Okay, 158 likes. That means 142 in America, 4 in Kenya, 3 in Canada, 2 in United Kingdom, 2 in Australia, 1 in Afghanistan, 1 in South Africa, 1 in Ukraine, which is in Europe, and 1 in Ghana. I don't know how to really pronounce that, but that's in West Africa. Okay, and that just makes me just happy, because knowing my Facebook has been worldwide known publicly, and not only that, I've sold 3 books. I've sold books in Canada, United Kingdom, and I think it was Australia. Those 3. And the rest has been known to be sold in America. Books being sold, are still going great. Helped tremendously a lot of people. I just want to say thank you to everybody that has liked my page, and all the subscribers that I've gotten so far on my YouTube channel. You know, you always think you want to be famous one day. That's not my intention. You know, to get worldwide publicly, to be famous author. I don't think that'll never happen. But my main intention is to help as many people as I can. I do have a goal in selling books. It's about 100. I'm not quite there yet, but maybe one day I'll get there. But so yeah, that's not my intention to get famous over this. I just want to help people that's been hurt. Everybody has a different story that I've noticed over the past couple of years since I've been doing this. Everybody has a different story of what they've been gone through. But, however, everybody has the same pain. So that's why it's easy for me to help others, because I've been through the same thing, sorta, and I know the pain and I know how to help others. But anyway, I just want to say thank you, and this video is just for y'all, so hope y'all enjoy it and subscribe to my channel, and I will probably put a link on the bottom of this video to my Facebook page. So with that being said, bye y'all.